together with you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. It is Vlogmas Day 3. Vlogmas Day 3. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just doing a little cleaning around the house because God is telling me that I'm getting ready to move. So I'm getting ready to take care of what I got so God can bless me with something better. No, but for real. I need to do some cleaning. I've been saying I'm gonna sweep and mop this floor for like 2 weeks at this point, and I haven't swept or mopped the floor. I need to clean out my closet because I have some things that I need to get rid of and declutter so God can bless me, you know, with some new stuff. I also want to start cleaning up Mason's room, like his room. Let me show y'all. Do not judge me, okay? Do not judge my son, okay? Because we are enjoying our space, okay? We are enjoying our space. So I don't even want to show y'all, like, okay, but I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna be transparent because as a single working mom, it is hard to keep these spaces clean, especially his space, because like he plays in here a lot. He has a million toys. His room is small, very small to me. And he doesn't have a lot of space, so it's hard to just keep clean. I let him live his life in his room. So this is his room, okay? Clothes coming out the drawers, all this stuff on the dresser. Like he writing on the dresser, like his sheets, his bed, they're in the washer. Writing on the wall, stickers on the wall. Paintings he did over the summer. Like he just, closet, the boys share a closet. So y'all, I need some help, some ideas or something. Noah, can you say hi? Say hello. Yes, I need some ideas to like do what I need to do with this space. I have some things that are coming for him for Christmas. This is trash. I already started. I got this from under the bed. So I need some ideas to do with his room. So yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing today. Come on now. I'll come back in there a little later. But yeah, this is what I'm planning on doing today. I'm editing day 2. I've edited day 2, so I'm waiting for it to finish loading up and everything. I've started work. I started work on my laptop, so I am going to go ahead and get started with some cleaning. So I'm gonna sit. What is this? We just be buying these kids anything. Embarrassing. Look at this, what's under the couch. Embarrassing. Look, this is supposed to be plugged up in the wall. All of this crap behind the couch. Yeah. am doing my festivities at home, I also have to continue to check my email. So I just got an email from one of the principals at my school, and he is asking for the network team, which I work for the network team, to come in to cover teachers' classrooms while they enjoy a break as a Christmas gift for them. So we will create morning meeting decks and activities for you. So you will be responsible for the greetings and supervising the students from 7:30 to 8 and running morning meetings from 8 to 8:30. If we're able to pull this off, it will be a surprise. So please don't tell any of the staff. If I accidentally, oh, okay, don't need to do that. But so he wants us to come into the school to supervise the classrooms while the teachers get a break for Christmas. And because I am a former teacher, like, I am with this 1000%. So I am going to reply that I am able. December 15th, Thursday, December 15th. I'm going to reply that I'm able to come in. I gotta make sure that somebody can get the baby, because I have to be there at 7, like 7:20 at the latest, because it's from 7:30 to 8:30. That's so nice though. I'm very appreciative of this because I am a former teacher, so I know how often those breaks do not come. So this is a very sweet idea. Y'all, I'm so freaking annoyed because my Wi-Fi has been off all day, like all day. I think it was working around 10 a.m. and it is 2 p.m. and it's not working anymore. Like, I work from home and this is just like unacceptable. Like, I haven't done any work all day, and thankfully my job has been you know, it's understanding, but I'm annoyed and I haven't done anything all day because I've just been sad. Like, I have tried to come back to YouTube so many times, and I have been unsuccessful because of just my mental health and like feeling like not emotionally stable, you know, just not feeling like myself. And so when I finally get the guts and the courage to come back to YouTube, like, I've been trying to upload this video all day. Like, it's just sitting on my computer. Like, let me show you. It's just sitting. Let's see what percent is. Look at this. 1 hour and 40 minutes left. I started uploading this video at like 11 a.m. I'm just annoyed and like feeling discouraged all over again. I didn't get to clean Mason's room. Like, this is why. Like, I don't even know what to say. I can't even connect to my hotspot on my phone for some reason. I'm not even trying to connect my video to upload my video. I'm trying to connect my work laptop to my hotspot. I don't have anywhere else I can go to use anyone else's Wi-Fi, and I'm not going to sit up at McDonald's. I'm not. So I think I'm just gonna end this video here. Hopefully I can get day 2 up, because I had so many technical difficulties with day 1 that I just was like, forget it, and started working on day 2. And y'all, okay, hopefully I can get this video up. I don't know, I've been looking online and they just said that Xfinity is out. They keep they keep sending me text messages saying, oh, it'll be complete by this time, or it'll be complete by this time. Because like at first it was saying 11:45, and then it said 1:45, and it's 2:11. Like, I'm just so annoyed. Like, I want to cry so bad, but I've been crying for the last year. I don't have any more tears left in me. Like, I've been crying every single day for the last year. So anyway, thank y'all for watching this video. If you watching it, you made it to this far, to the end of the video, thank you. But it's not supposed to be this hard. It's not supposed to be this difficult. It's not supposed to be so many barriers hindering me and my success. Like this shit is annoying. Like,